I can open this flying Baymax.
Alright, it's a figurine playset, huh?
It's a figurine playset. And we're gonna open the big Hiro 6 Baymax toys.
Yes, we are. And there's a lot of them in here, huh? Like all of them? Who's in there? Can you tell me who's in there?
A lot of characters.
There's a lot of characters. So there's this guy right here in green armor. What's his name?
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
This is Callahan.
Callahan, the one with the mask, right?
Mm-hmm.
And who's the girl with the yellow hair? Right there, who's that?
This one?
Yeah,
Honey Lemon.
that's Honey Lemon. And how about that little guy right there with the purple helmet?
Hiro.
Hiro.
This is Baymax.
That's Baymax, yes. How about her? What's her name?
Go-Go.
Coco. And who is this little fella right here?
Fred.
Fred.
This is another Baymax.
Another Baymax. It's actually a white Baymax, right?
This is a red Baymax.
Yes. And we're one more right here. Who
This
is
is Tadashi.
Tadashi. And this is the deluxe figurine playset. Okay.
Gonna open it.
Yes, go ahead, open it. Wow. Okay, now we will help you take that off. And now we have
Baymax.
all ready to go. Here you go. Yes. Okay. You sit right here, baby. Yes. So we have. Who is this?
Wasabi.
This is Wasabi. And then who else did you want to get? You want to get Fred?
Yes.
Hi, Fred. Oh, you sit right here with them. And then, oh, who's this guy?
Callahan.
Oh, this is the good guy, right?
Bad guy.
Oh,
Bad guy. What's a bad guy?
he's good. And this is Honey Lemon.
I like those characters.
Yeah.
Hiro, Baymax, this one.
And this is Hiro right here.
Baymax.
And you got that guy.
This one.
Alright.
Can you play with me?
Yes.
This go is so fast. Boom.
Alright, so let's go play. Sit down, let's go play, baby.
Then I'm gonna be Baymax, and you're gonna be Go-Go.
I'm gonna be Go-Go. Alright, who are we battling? Yeah, let's get the big Hiro 6 team. So it's Fred. Alright. So we are going to... This is our big Hiro 6 team. And we're gonna battle Callahan. And,
I wanna be Baymax and Callahan.
oh, you're gonna be both of them? Alright, or you go play.
I'll go play 3 things that can help. Dad, can you play with me?
Yes. Alright, so can we tell them who they are?
The Big Hiro 6.
The Big Hiro 6! And there is our nice collection. And on the next video, we are going to do the playtime. Right, Gabe?
Right.
Right. Alright, say bye guys. See you in the next video.
Bye guys. See you in the next video.
Please Please subscribe.
Please